What if I told you YouTube is already ready to recommend your videos, but one simple thing is holding you back? You upload a video, hit publish, and then nothing happens. No views, no recommendations, no growth. And it's not because your content is bad, it's because most small creators are missing a few critical actions right after they upload. And those first moments are exactly what decide whether your video grows or dies. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact system that tells YouTube your video is worth recommending step by step. Make sure you stay until the end because everything here works together, and missing just one part can completely change your results. Let's start by understanding something about how YouTube actually works behind the scenes. When you upload a fresh video, the platform doesn't immediately blast it out to millions of people. That's not how it operates. Instead, YouTube tests your video with a small group first. Think of it like a trial run. If that small group responds well, YouTube takes that as a green light to push your content further. If they don't engage, the video quietly dies before it ever gets a real chance. This is exactly why the first hour after you upload is so critical for small channels. Most creators hit publish and then disappear. That's the first mistake. Here's what you need to start doing instead. The moment your video goes live, you need to be the first person genuinely engaging with it. Watch your own video from beginning to end on your channel, not just a quick skim, the whole thing. And while you're watching, drop a pinned comment. Not something generic like, "Hope you enjoy," but something that other viewers can actually connect with. Ask a question that relates to the video topic. Give them a reason to respond. That pinned comment becomes the foundation of your comment section and sets the tone for every viewer who arrives after you. Now here's where things get really interesting for small channels. If you have a second account, use it to watch your video again from start to finish and leave a genuine comment underneath. Something that adds to the conversation. Something that could spark discussion. The reason this works is simple. YouTube's algorithm is constantly reading signals. When it sees someone clicking on your video and watching it all the way through right after upload, it registers that as a signal of quality. It thinks, okay, people are genuinely interested in this, let's show it to a few more people. Each wave of engagement tells YouTube to keep pushing the video outward. You're essentially giving the algorithm the early signals it needs to start its own recommendation engine for your content. But here's the part that trips up so many small creators. Right after uploading, they grab the video link and immediately blast it across every WhatsApp group, every Facebook page, every Discord server they can find. And look, sharing your video is not a bad thing at all. It can bring views, but the timing of when you share matters enormously. When you flood external traffic to your video immediately after upload, you create a dependency. YouTube starts to see that pattern. It thinks your video only gets watched when you personally push it to people. So the next time you upload and you don't share the link everywhere, that video flatlines. It gets zero traction because YouTube never learned to recommend it organically. The move that actually works is letting the algorithm breathe first. After you've done your initial engagement, step back. Give it somewhere between 30 minutes and an hour. Let YouTube do what it does. Let it test your video with its own audience. Then, once that window has passed, you can share your link wherever you want. At that point, the external traffic adds to the momentum instead of replacing it. That shift in timing is small, but the impact on your channel's long-term growth is significant. Now let's talk about something that almost nobody takes seriously enough. Your comment section is not just a place where people leave nice messages. It is an active growth tool. Every time a viewer drops a comment on your video and you respond quickly, YouTube picks up on that activity. It sees a conversation happening. It sees engagement. And that tells the algorithm your video is alive and worth recommending to more people. So when you upload a video, do not disappear. Check your YouTube studio. The moment a comment comes in, respond to it. Be present. Be real. Because here's the bonus. When a brand new viewer lands on your channel and sees that you actually talk to your audience, they're far more likely to leave their own comment. It builds a community feeling that keeps people coming back. Speaking of community, if your YouTube channel has a community tab, use it. Every single time you upload a video, post about it in your community. Write something that makes people curious. Ask them something. Give them a reason to click. Even if you only have a small number of subscribers, that tab is a direct line to the people who already chose to follow you. Getting even 5 or 6 of them to watch early can be enough to trigger another round of algorithmic testing in your favor. And finally, this one is non-negotiable. Pay attention to your analytics after every upload. I know it can feel discouraging when the numbers look small, but your analytics are telling you something important every single time. Your click-through rate tells you if your thumbnail and title are doing their job. Your average view duration tells you at what point people are losing interest. Your impressions tell you how far YouTube is actually pushing your content. These numbers are not just vanity metrics. They are a roadmap for making your next video better than the last one. Study them, learn from them, use them. Everything I've shared with you today works together as a system. The early engagement, the timing of your link sharing, the comment section activity, the community posts, and your analytics review. When you apply these steps consistently, you're not leaving your videos to chance anymore. You're giving YouTube exactly the signals it needs to start recommending your content. And if this helped you, make sure to subscribe, because every week I'm sharing proven strategies, AI tools, and growth systems that actually work for small channels. I'll see you in the next video.